Lyrebirds are a talented bird, and they really love to sing. They sing all year round, in any incomprehensible situation, singing when looking for a partner or when just bored, they sing too. And these frequent performances require a huge repertoire. And lyrebirds have no problem with this, they are able to memorize and reproduce almost any sound they hear. In the arsenal of the performer has such hits as That's who really gets the melody in her head. And if she hears modern performers,
Yo! God. The thing goes grrrr, pop, 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 pop. Skitty kid pop, pop. And the poop poop doo boom. Skia! Toot toot cool cool boom boom. Boom boom. You don't know. Big shock. Yo, yeah. Alright.